Hey, this is Cameron. Welcome back to the Busy Gardener channel. Today, we are gonna look quickly at the work we started. I can't believe we've started this, the backyard renovation. Let's get busy. So right now, if you look, I'm standing at level ground with our patio, and from our house, it's about 8 feet from here to where the orchard is, like level with the orchard. And so what we're wanting to do is to come in and create, how do we make that 8 feet up in terms of levels? What's it gonna take to do that? And so what we've decided is to do a 3-foot retaining wall, concrete reinforced with rebar block wall, that goes here 3 feet. It's going to go back 10 feet, which is exciting. And so let's go up there. All right, so now we're on another level. And so then it's going to go back another, and you notice how long this is. It's really exciting. And then it's going to go up another 3 feet. And then it's going to go back another 10 feet. And once it gets up here, it's going to go back up another maybe like 2.5 feet or so, and then go back to the fence. Oh, and then I should mention that in the middle of it is going to be stairs. So it's going to be lining up with our orchard gate over here, and there are going to be stairs going down all the way to our door down there. And so very excited about that. We feel like that's going to be really functional. Now, one part that I'm especially excited about is the fact that these are going to be planting beds. And I did the math, and I posted another video a couple months ago or whenever that was. I don't know how to add up on the fly, apparently. 10 feet by 30 feet, then there'd be stairs, and then there are gonna be 10 feet by another 30 feet, roughly, on each of those big growing beds. And so what that means is that each growing bed is gonna have 300 square feet total of space. Now, what we're realizing is you can't just have it all growing area, you have to have some walkway space. And so we're thinking that that's gonna take up probably like 3 feet of the 10 or 2.5 feet of the 10 feet. And so as we have that walkway space, that's going to leave us with, here I am again doing this. Here's my point. It's going to leave us total with 300, we're losing, of the 10 feet, we're losing 2.5 feet. So it's 75% of that.
75, so 150, 150, 150, 150, okay.
Forget my math for a minute. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. But here's how it was. We're losing a quarter of our total square footage. And so if we have 1,200 feet total, 25% of that is going to be walkway space. That leaves 900 square feet of growing space. And that's what we're counting on, 900 square feet of growing space, which is unbelievable because we have like a little vegetable garden down there that's like 90 square feet. So 900 square feet is just going to blow our mind. So I'm wanting to chronicle this kind of as a vlog, and so I'm hoping to have just a bunch more updates as we have progress going on. It's a little bit of a departure from, I'm trying to go down this ladder here. It's a little bit of a departure from the usual gardening stuff that we've got, but it definitely, this is part of it. You know, the way that you set up your land. I mean, look at this. Look at what I'm standing in here. Crazy trench. This is going to be the ditch that we have that's going to be letting out all of the drainage and all of our future piping and stuff. So look at this. These chickens have never seen me at eye level. It's blowing their mind. Our contractor's here and he needs me to move my truck so he can get his truck in the way. Anyway, one thing that has been really true here for us is the amount of rocks that this soil has. You've seen me talk about it, and as I'm digging stuff up with a shovel, it's just unbelievable how many rocks. And we've been giving away rocks. So if you're in Southern California and you need rocks, you just message me and we'll try to figure something out because we've got big rocks and little rocks and no shortage of rocks around here. So anyway, excited to show you this. We can't be more excited. It's kind of a little bit hard to imagine what it's going to end up looking like because everything is just torn up. It's hard to imagine this finished with a block wall and vegetables and flowers growing there, but we're very excited about that. What thoughts have you got as you're seeing this? Get a hold of me, put them in the comments below. I also want to mention that I now have a website that's starting to be populated with content, thebusygardener.com. So if you're interested in checking that, I would love to have you there. If you're not yet subscribed to the Busy Gardener channel, do it. This would be a great time. We'd love to have you. And hit that notification bell so you can know when a new videos come up. And you hit the like button that lets me and other people know that you thought the video was worthwhile. Anyway, this is an initial first look. Appreciate you tuning in. And whether you've got one rock in your yard or 500,000, until next time, stay busy.